Hey everybody, Brian at AMS Performance, and today we're going to talk about the Alpha 6 and Alpha 8 turbo kits for the GR 2020 Toyota Supra. Now there's a couple of things with this kit that make it pretty unique. One of the things that we wanted to do is to reuse the original equipment wastegate actuator. It's an electronic wastegate actuator, so you have a very, very high degree of control over boost, which means you get very good peak power. You can hold it closed as you like. It's also very good in transient, so instead of just making that big top end, you can drive it on the road. It's very smooth. On road courses, you have excellent throttle modulation. You can see Jackie Ding's time attack car there in the background. It's one of the first kits we put out there for a lot of testing and development. We're using an internally gated turbine housing to go along with using the original actuator. It mates up to our downpipe, which is required for this kit. In this turbo kit, we're using Garrett CHRAs. The Alpha 6 has a 3076 Gen 2. The Alpha 8 has a 3582 Gen 2. These allow us a lot of top-end power, but also very, very good spool. The 3582, again, is going to be more of like a top power, drag type of application, where your 3076 is going to be amazing on the street, amazing on the road course, a lot of response and plenty of power. Everything comes pre-installed onto the turbo and clocked, so you can take it out of the box and slide it right onto the side of the engine block and go ahead and make some power. The kit uses an Alpha intake with a 4-inch intake diameter all the way up to the turbocharger inlet. The kit's also designed to use the AMS Performance charge pipe with a direct coupler made that fits perfectly with the charge pipe as a direct upgrade and addition. The exhaust manifold is made out of 304 stainless steel, welded and cut and fabricated right here in America at AMS Performance. We're really excited about this kit. The factory wastegate actuator control brings a lot to the table in terms of control and response. We've had a lot of testing both on the street, on the track, on the strip, and on the dyno. For more information and video, check us out at amsperformance.com and enjoy.